More big news, 2 million more people in Washington state will be eligible for the coronavirus vaccine starting this morning. This includes anyone 60 years or older, anyone with 16 years and older with 2 or more medical conditions, people who work in congregate settings like correctional facilities, and anyone who works in high-risk settings like restaurant and construction. Callie Greenberg live outside Lumen Field this morning, where several thousand people will get the vaccine today. And with more people eligible, Callie, this could be a little harder to get an appointment potentially.
At least at first, it's going to be difficult to find those appointments, but they are out there. People are going to line up here outside of Lumen Field like they have been, but still, a few weeks after this facility is open, the largest in the region, it's still only operating at a fraction of its capacity. The governor saying yesterday during an event that right now it is a race between the vaccine and the variants. Now, you've probably heard of other states expanding eligibility to anyone over the age of 16. The state secretary of health says there's still a supply versus demand slowdown in Washington state, and the state ranks in the top for people willing to get the vaccine. According to the data, Washington also ranks near the top for doses administered. So those vaccines are getting into people's arms. The Secretary of Health tells us this phased opening approach is based on that data, as well as ensuring the vaccine is distributed equitably.
This is a three-legged stool, that it really is vaccine supply, it's vaccine administration logistics, and it's vaccine demand. And so right now we're still at that phase where vaccine supply is our limiting step, but we do want to recognize the fact that providers are saying, hey, we're able to administer more vaccine, just give it to us.
So vaccines are still appointment only. You're going to have to find one of those appointments. But it's important to note that we've been talking about this phase finder tool since the vaccine distribution started. Well, now the state is no longer using the phase finder tool, so you'll have to go online, make an appointment at places here like Lumen Field.